Have you thought about brainwashing yourself into becoming a successful trader and how you would do that? How do you become a profitable trader? Just by changing your mindset, just by psychologically making it work for you. Because everyone in the trading game, everyone that makes YouTube videos, everyone out there promotes to you that the only way you can be successful is to use their system that they made $1 million worth in the last week, which they didn't. Trust me, they didn't. There's no way. But they'll tell you they did. And they'll have some kind of social proof that they did. They'll have a phone with all kinds of numbers on it and a trading statement or whatever the case. I don't know how they make them up, but they are definitely made up, guys. Those trading systems are BS at best. Because let's go into the office and let's talk about how we can make you a profitable trader today. At the end of the day, the trading game is a 50-50 game. 50% of the time when you take a trade, you'll make a win, and 50% of the time when you take a trade, you will make a loss. And I say it in every video so that you guys don't forget it. I'm not trying to become boring, guys. I'm trying to show you that it's all in the head. It's all about losing less on your losses and making more on your profits. Because at the end of the day, there's no system on the planet that's going to make you wins 100% of the time. It just doesn't work like that. It's not possible. It's completely, totally, and utterly impossible. Here, 80% of the traders lose money. It's always the case. And if you don't like losing money and you don't like risk, you probably shouldn't be trading. While you're here, guys, drop down into the description, get your free Forex book, perhaps visit the blog. It's got a free trade on it every day. It's just a trading idea. It's not advice. And it's there for you. Enjoy it. Guys, without further ado, let's get on to today's trading system. Let's show you a little bit about trading and then we can take it from there. If you've been watching my videos by now, you'll know how to get these resistance and support bars. What do? We go to the daily chart, we look for the closing prices, and we draw the support and resistance in on a line chart. Quite easy. I'm not going to go there today because you should have watched all the other videos, or the videos before this one, which show you how to do that. And this is the US 500, for example, and we've clearly got a very nice resistance up top here and a nice support down here. What are we going to do with this scenario?
Watch out for our casual unlimited collection at 23 Merchandise. We supply a range of fashionable clothing made to fit all. Simply look for the merchandise link in the description to order your favorite product today. This is a product from Logical Trading and 23 Merchandise.
So we're clearly in a bullish trend, and this is a little flag pattern that's developed on the side here. Now, how do you brainwash yourself into succeeding in the stock market? Because you look at this and you think, well, this S&P is right at the top. If I take this trade, am I going to lose all my money? Well, it's very simple, guys. All you got to do is put your stop loss just below this, which has now become a support. By the way, guys, this has now become a support area. Why do I say that? You see this green bar? It's broken out through the resistance. That says it's a long trade. You could have taken the long trade right at the beginning here and you'd still be in the trade because your stop loss, you manage your risk, your stop loss is over here below this now resistance, now support area, which was a resistance. So your stop loss, you keep it down the bottom here and it will say halfway along that green bar down there. You might have got stopped out here. That could happen. It's a bit of an anomaly. It can happen. And there's going to be some news after this particular scenario. So that could affect this particular trade one way or the other. So if I look at this, it looks like a bit of a flag pattern. Now, flag patterns, generally what they do is they continue on long, but some adverse news could cause it to go short. So you put your stop loss below this now support area and you take the long. You could take it there, you could take it there, you could take it there. In fact, you could take this trade long right now because it's already long. You could wait for it to retest again. It's doubtful whether it will retest again. It's retested 1, 2, 3 times already, and it's failed to break back through the support area. So the most likely scenario for this trade is to continue on its long trajectory straight up. That said, might not happen, and that's why you have a stop loss. And this is why I say you must brainwash your brain into this. If this goes long, add more to the trade. If this goes short, then get out of the trade as quickly as you possibly can so that you don't take this huge loss down. Because if it goes short, you'll be thinking, but that should have gone long, and then you'll be adding, and you don't brainwash yourself. If it goes short, that's a bit like a relief. Get out and walk away. If it goes long, gooi, add to the trade, because this thing's going to make probably the same length as this leg here up here, taking us up to about 5,500. So this is going to be an obvious, very, very, very good trade. So that's the charts for this week. So that's the system, that's the trading, that's what we're talking about today. And you know, these systems can help you to manage your risk. They're a good trading edge, they're a good trading system. But as I've said over and over again, there is no system, guys, that's going to give you 100% trading wins. They're all 50-50 systems. So what's the point of getting so complicated and so engrossed in all these different systems? And just remember, systems like moving average systems, RSI systems, MACD systems, and you know, all these fancy fandangle things, ICTs and whatnot, just remember, most of them are lagging indicators. Most of them are, the trade has already happened before you get in there and you actually take the trade. They're very much lagging indicators. So what you're looking for is a system where you can read the price chart, you can look at the price chart without even having to draw the lines in actually, and just say, you know what, that's long or that's short. And that's the systems that I'm showing you guys from my heart, free of charge, just to say to you guys, you can literally look at the chart and have a feeling on the day that this is going to be a long trade or this is going to be a short trade without any great difficulty, without any great complicated fandangled issues. Simple, straightforward. I draw the lines in just so that you guys can see the picture. You can draw the lines in as well, particularly if you're a beginner. But when I'm trading, 9 times out of 10, I don't even bother drawing those blocks in. I don't even bother drawing those lines in because, you know, you don't need them. After 30 years of trading, you really don't need them. You can see the picture in the market so much easier. Guys, I hope that helped you, and I hope it helps you with your trading and it helps you to become a profitable trader. I hope it brainwashes you into understanding how to trade. Reproduce this every single time. Keep on doing the same thing over and over again and you'll become a profitable trader. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to watch the last video, and until next week, cheers, thanks, and bye.